So that was a very, very bumpy road, it looks like. Welcome back to part 22 of the Far East.
Goes fish.
Our story picks back up in Takaleko Lake in southern Washington State, where today it is August the 15th.
2025.
That's it. There you go. It's a little chilly here. We're at about 4,400 feet.
Yes.
And
rain the whole day.
all day. And it's also kind of messing up our view. Back there is something very pretty that we will show you hopefully tomorrow when we go for a walk around here. But welcome back to the story. And we'll show you some more of beautiful Washington.
Yes. Let's go.
Adventure if you can. Well, good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you for that amazing dinner and breakfast.
You're welcome.
And did you like that view we just took from above? So we took a view, we saw the mountain was out a little bit, so we came to look, and it's hiding again.
Yeah, it's like a window show again. Just spotlight. Small window, but or binocular, just tiny hole to see the whole mountain. Moves like that.
Just a little. So we're going to walk around a little bit of this little trail, and hopefully it'll come out and we'll get to show you some more.
Yes.
Let's go.
Go. It's nice trail and cool here.
So we went back and I got better clothes and shoes and a stick. So now we're going to go walk around the lake and see how pretty it is. But look, we got to see the top.
Yes, and finally we saw the whole top. but not the whole mountain because they have
The
some
clouds.
clouds on the lower.
But that was
on the
cool
top,
though.
but on the top we saw it now.
At
Yeah.
least you've seen one of the peaks in Washington.
Yeah.
All right, let's go walk around.
Let's go.
Fall is starting in Washington. Well, look at that.
Here. And the lake is so nice, and now the sky is so clear to see. Much more Mountain Adam.
So, Mount Adams in Washington. All right, let's go a little more.
Yes. Go.
For all those who love to use their stand-up paddleboard, this is a pretty good place for it. All right, we're back from our wonderful walk around the lake, and she's over here making us some yummy food again. What are you making?
Today we back to green curry with the roti.
Can't wait. This looks great, and that's right. That's 3 for me and 1 for her. Good morning.
Good morning.
So after our amazing hike yesterday, short hike, and delicious green curry, that was awesome.
Thank you.
And then we woke up and saw a little bit of the lake, so we got some extra drone footage, which was fantastic. But now it's time for us to get out of here. So let's break camp and get going.
Yes. Let's go.
Wow, first try.
Yes. It's better faster.
Yes. All right, we're gonna get out of here, and the camp hosts here are fantastic.
Yes, pretty much. They are very nice.
Very friendly and a lot of information.
Yes.
All right, let's go do that next fun thing. The laundry.
Yes. Let's go.
Well, that was a nice surprise to see the full Mount Adams on the way out.
Yes.
Waited till we left.
On the day that we left, it's so pretty clear of the Mount Adam.
Mm-hmm.
But it's nice on the way that we drive.
Very nice. All right, now let's go to our chores.
Yes, let's go.
All right, so that really great view a little while ago was Mount Adams. We found looks like a great boondocking spot, which we'll have to look into later. That was, I can't remember what road that was now, but it's the one south of the lake we were on. This road, what we just saw right now, was Mount Hood across the Columbia River. And this is Washington 14. Very beautiful.
Yeah, it's pretty nice view now.
All right, one shore down, next fuel, and then the very fun dumping of the tanks.
Yes, and fill the water.
Yes, we need water.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So our chores are done, so let's go find some more pretty stuff.
Yes, before sunset.
Always chasing the pretty before the sunset. The sunset is also pretty.
Yes.
The water place was pretty good. That one had good pressure. That one was on Interstate 5, just north of Vancouver, Washington. Not to be confused with Vancouver, British Columbia.
Yes, we have to back.
Alright, but let's go see if we can find something pretty before we lose the sun.
Yes. Let's go.
So what do you think?
It's very beautiful and it's a little fresh. Yeah, because the water is
Good. I'm glad. Hey, you want to go get on that bridge? Yeah. You're good, buddy. All right, you're on a bridge.
Pretty nice.
We're taking a picture.
Thank you for taking.
You're welcome. Hi, Brian. Let's take us to the next place. Well, all right, camp was made in the dark, and we had to do it a second time. We didn't show you, but we were really high, so we had to lower ourselves.
Yeah. It's
So-
much more better.
Yes, it's definitely better now. And it's cloudy, so we're not going to get any good stars tonight.
Yeah.
But hopefully when we wake up in the morning, we'll have an amazing view to show you. So we're going to get some sleep, and we'll show you that tomorrow. Hopefully, unless it's cloudy.
I feel like tomorrow we could see. I hope so.
I hope so too. All right, good night.
Good night.
So after that awesome flight above, which was awesome, she was in here making us delicious food. What's for lunch?
Chicken garlic with the vegetable soup.
Sounds awesome. Well, all right, now that some work is done, some amazing lunch was had, let's go walk and see something pretty.
Yes, let's go.
So we see these circle things in the road. We saw one over there too, and we don't know what they are. So anybody's guess in the comments? Alright, so this is L something waterfall that I can't remember, and we don't have an internet for me to tell you guys, but I'll tell you later. What do you think?
It's really nice. And the area that we walk from the house is so nice.
Yeah, lots of trees.
Yeah, lots of free, easy walking and not much car.
Yeah, the road here is one-way traffic and you're walking towards it on the way in and with it on the way out. But yeah, nice waterfall, not far.
Yeah.
All right,
Pretty.
let's walk back.
Let's go.
Internet was found. It is the Sahale Falls.
Sahel Fall or Sahali.
And on all trails, it's the Umbrella and Sahali Falls loop, which is about 4.5 miles, which you take from the Meadows parking area, which is some miles up there. That's a nice hike. I did that before, but this is the shorter version. So there you go. If you're looking for this falls, Sahale. All right, let's keep going.
Let's go.
Hi, Mr. Peabody. So that was a quick walk. We're back and we were talking about how she's never been on a ski lift. So we're gonna go up to the Meadows and ride it to the top.
Yes, let's go.
So it looks like this is going to be the first day for her to ride it either. We missed it by an hour and it doesn't open for 2 more days. So sorry, that's a ski lift, but it's not working. All right, let's go see what's next.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, it's actually a clear sky tonight. Maybe we can get some stars.
Yeah.
All right,
Milky Way.
let's go see what's for dinner and then we'll put you on the roof.
Let's go.
So we're just gonna make the most of it while we're up here. There's a small waterfall trail, so let's go check that out.
Let's go.
So luckily someone came and told us right after we parked, the gates closed at 6.
Yes.
We would have been trapped in there. But you can park outside, that's fine.
And
We're still gonna go walk to the waterfall.
Yeah, let's go.
Did you find a tree seat?
Yes, that's a nice tree. So,
This is Umbrella Falls.
pretty nice.
All right, and that's Umbrella Falls, a hill-whopping 1/4 mile from parking even right outside the gate. So short. Very much recommend you come here and check out these falls. They're so pretty.
Yes, pretty.
Worth a 1/4 mile hike.
It's just so short.
So short. All right, let's go back and now it's time for dinner.
Let's go.
starts with garlic. Well, that just looks amazing.
Thank you.
All right, we're going to eat this yummy food and go put you guys on the roof. So hopefully we'll get some stars too.
Yes.
Food and stars. Let's go.
Enjoy.
Well, our time here at Mount Hood, or at least in the shadow of Mount Hood, has come to an end. We're going to go look at one more thing, but let's get out of here first. Are you ready to go?
Ready.
Would you want to stay here longer?
Actually, yes, because this area is so nice,
It is nice.
calm and nice view. We can stay
Nice.
longer.
Yep.
But for now, we go to check somewhere else.
Yep. All right, let's get us shut down.
Yes, let's go.
All right, we are getting much better at that. Like first try again. So excellent. All right, let's get on the move on and go see something else pretty.
Yes, let's go.
Yeah, but you gotta find your own way.
And they have two.
Oh, sweet. All right, we found something pretty. Are you ready to go find a waterfall?
Yes, pretty much.
All right, let's go see what we find.
Let's go.
Well, that was pretty awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty nice trail. It's called Canyon Trail.
Oh, Canyon Trail, yeah, but it's the 10 Falls Trail.
Yeah.
And that's the first falls
Yes.
that we saw. Let's keep going.
Let's go.
That is a very cool moss color.
how big the tree.
Very big. So now you're officially walking in your first Oregon forest. What do you think so far?
It's pretty and it's very nice fall. Waterfall.
Waterfall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the first waterfall is so nice.
Mm-hmm.
Is came off from the top and
Very tall.
have the cave under
Mm-hmm.
and have the walkway is so beautiful.
Is that the first time you walked under a waterfall?
Maybe not, but this beautiful.
It is. I really like the trees here.
It's huge.
Like the moss in the trees is really good. So let's go see some more.
Let's go.
As much as that looks like a turd, that's actually a slug. Look at that. So Powell saw that slug thing, and for a second I thought she was looking at a turd. But it was alive. It was an alive turd, and it looked slimy. We did not touch it.
It look weird. I never saw that before.
Oh, good eye.
We will search.
With the photo. What is
that?
this thing?
Yeah.
I think it's a slug. Let's go.
Let's go.
So this one's called the Lower North Falls. That one's pretty cool. I like how the trees across it, and it's just really strong. Nice reflection. Alright, not a ton of water on the Double Falls, but I bet you that's pretty awesome when it's full season. Alright, this one is Drake Falls. All right, in her usual style, she wants to touch the water. No? No hands in the water this time?
You want my hand?
It's up to you. Do you want your hands?
It's cold.
It's cold.
Yeah. But water is clear, but I feel like they have some plants in here. I mean, not plant under, but have many leaves fall in.
I see. We are here. So green. And that's Waterfalls, which by the name, I'm assuming only has a good falls in the winter. This is not the end for us. Continue on the rim trail. How's your seaweed?
Very good because we exercise, we hike, and I'm hungry. And Paul take this for us. Thank you very much too.
For you.
It's yummy and help me, my stomach.
Good.
Thank you.
Wow, look how big that tree is. That is a very, very big tree. And just to let you know, this stick is about 4.5 feet. And that tree was wider than that. Very cool tree. Wow.
It's my size.
It's bigger than your size.
Wow.
Don't forget to pack out your trash. There's some natives over here waiting for all the humans to go so they can eat dinner. I see Brian over there. All right, and 6 miles later, we're back at Brian. What'd you think? Did you like the waterfall trail?
Yes, it's pretty nice. And some waterfall is so amazing.
So, as usual, all trails lies. 4.8 miles in all trails. 6 miles. All right, so on this story, we got to see Mount Adams.
Yeah.
We got to see
Mount
Mount Hood. And we got to see a whole bunch of waterfalls.
Yes.
Which one was your favorite?
I like all. I mean, each place have different signature.
I do.
Yes. So I cannot pick up.
I can. I really like the forest here. It was awesome. All right, and with that, we're going to call the end of part 22 of the Far East.
Go Swiss.
We'll see you on the next episode.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Very good. The chocolate cone.
Yes. It's yummy.
the water cold? Well,